With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. So the question says, draw a NEET diagram of a neuron and label the following parts. The first part we have to label is node of Ranvier. The second part is the Nisel's granules, and the third part is a Cyton. Okay. So we have to draw the diagram of a neuron first. Okay. So neuron is the functional unit of the nervous system. Okay. So don't get confused between neuron and nephron. Nephrons are present inside the kidney. Neurons are cells of the nervous system. Okay. So they help in transmission of impulses from one organ to the other organ. Okay. And the brain is the control center of the nervous system. Right. So this is what you have to know about the basic structure, basic of a neuron. Okay. Now when I look at the structure of a neuron, first of all, the structure of a neuron starts with the appearance of something like this, a star structure like this, and this is called as a cyton. Okay. From the cyton, we have many finger-like fibers originating. Okay. There are many fibers originating from the cell body of a neuron. Okay. Right. And the cell body of a neuron is also called as a cyton. Okay. So we had been asked to label a cyton. Okay. So this blue color structure which I have drawn here is nothing but the cyton, also known as the cell body. Okay. Also known as the cell body. Right. The green color structures which I have drawn are called the dendrites. Right. After that, there is a nucleus present in the center of the cyton. Okay. So this is nucleus of the neuron. Okay. This is the nucleus of the neuron. Right. Then apart from that, we also have some dot-like structures present inside the neuron, and these granular structures which are present inside the neuron are called as Nisel's granules. Okay, they are called as Nisel's granules. Okay, and these granules are responsible for giving gray color to the cyton. That is why the cyton or the cell body appears gray in color, because the Nisel's granules are grayish in color. Right. So this was about the cyton and the Nisel's granules. Right. Now from the cyton, we have a long tubular structure originating. Okay. So this is the long tubular structure originating, and this long tubular structure which is originating is called as the axon. It's called as the axon. Okay. So depending upon the type of neuron, the axon can be a covered axon or a uncovered axon. Okay. So the cover that is present on the axon is called a Schwann cell. So this is the Schwann cell. Okay. So this is the second Schwann cell. This is the third Schwann cell. So we have multiple Schwann cells like this present around the axon that cover the axon. Okay. And the gap that you can see here between two Schwann cells, these gaps are called as node of Ranvier. They are called as node of Ranvier. Okay. So nodes of Ranvier are the gaps present between two Schwann cells on the axon. Okay. Right. Then eventually my axon terminates into a multiple finger-like projections like this. Okay. And these finger-like projections have knobs present on them. These are called as telodendrons. These are called as telodendrons. Okay. So these are the telodendrons, and these telodendrons help in releasing neurotransmitters that lead to transmission of impulse to the next neuron. Okay. So we had been asked to label the Nisel's granule, the node of Ranvier, and the cyton. So this is the cyton, this is the Nisel's granule, and this is the node of Ranvier. Okay. So have labeled all the parts in a diagrammatic representation of the neuron. Okay. So I hope I have answered your doubt. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.